So now we are going to discuss deep learning, and deep learning is nothing but a subfield of machine learning. And this particular area is concerned with algorithms that are inspired structure and function of brain. Yeah, so these are called artificial neural networks, and we see that deep learning is outperforming the traditional machine learning algorithms. So if you give more data to traditional machine learning algorithms, so they cannot learn a lot from the additional data that you supply. But if you add additional data to deep learning algorithms, then we see that they learn and they improve a lot with the additional data that we are providing. And also the deep learning based algorithms are much better in terms of error reduction. So you'll see like the image classification, and then facial recognition and voice recognition. So they reduce the error significantly in each of these domains. And if we have to formally define deep learning, it's basically can find the complex patterns, let's say complex patterns from images, from videos, and from voice, from all the unstructured data that you can think of. Yeah, so it can identify patterns from even unstructured data. So I'm not saying it is just for unstructured data, but also like even with unstructured data, it does so well. But for structured and semi-structured, definitely deep learning can produce great results. So you will see that the accuracy is one of the main areas in which deep learning outshines, and that's why it started to gain a lot of traction. In 2012, it started gaining a lot of traction, and after that it improved significantly. So if you look at it, like it is projected that the compound annual growth revenue will be growing at 20%. Yeah, so approximately 20%. And as I was mentioning, that deep learning is inspired by human brain. So we have input through senses, we are getting the input, and we are having hidden layers in our brain, and then we take actions, there is an output. So you can see artificial neural network is also having multiple hidden layers, even though it is shown as one. If we talk about deep neural networks, then you will see that neural networks have usually more than 2 to 3 hidden layers itself. Yeah, so this is a rough imitation of human brain. I was discussing like we want to detect patterns from unstructured data. So we have pictures of cats and we have pictures of dogs, and we are passing those pictures to artificial neural network, and these neurons are having certain weightages. So these connections, these weightages, based on that it will decide whether the particular picture is of cat or a picture of dog. So you can see like if the pattern is matching with the picture of cat, then it will say yes, it is a cat, otherwise it is a dog. Yeah, so artificial neural networks are getting that input from the input layer, these neurons are activated, and finally we get that output in the output layer. Yeah, so this is again just a difference between cat and dog. That means it's a classification kind of deep neural network. So it is able to detect whether cat is there or not in the picture. Yeah.